Tumela ngithobela sanibonani molweni bhotani lotshani absheng zidwesha nezidweshakazi zikaNonkwenkwezi hlala nami ndihlale nawe ngashengi ungandishiyi nangomnye umzuzu kuba kaloku ndiyintoni na ngaphandle kwakho. Sanibonani molweni bhotani lotshani absheng thokozani makhosi amakhulu zintlonelo ezinkulu bayede camagwini kaSpedi kuthiwa nene. Ya loo nto ke kodwa kasuvenda ne bethunani. Here's another piece of wisdom from your mama Nonkwenkwezi. Guys, today I want us to talk about how to notice ukuthi something is wrong spiritually in your life. You understand? Uyazi njani into izinto azihambi kakuhle? You understand? Ubana ngaba kukho inqumbo yeminyanya njalo njalo. You understand? If kufuneka utshintshe indlela owenza ngayo izinto ebomini bakho. You don't always have to get your answers from spiritual healers. Sometimes it's a matter of you just being alert and awake. We understand to things happening around you, things suddenly changing. We understand, and things just being different, and you can feel and sense there's a message here. I'm one person who believes in us being one with the universe. We're all just a flow of energy. You understand? Us living beings, animals around us, trees, physical, objects. You understand? Around the house, in your environment. There's always a connection. So, and the mother of it all being the universe. You understand? The universe being nature, basically. So we are just one ecosystem, basically. Never think you are disconnected from the universe. So sometimes the universe is communicating with you. The universe is trying to send a message, and you are just being oblivious to it. You understand? To your detriment sometimes. Sometimes there's always a warning. There are always red flags, for you to start doing things differently. The universe, hence I think it's, we call it Mother Nature. You understand? It's always looking out for you because we are one at the end of the day. But sometimes we close our ears, and we just close our ears and want things to stay the same. Sometimes you need to change course. The universe is talking to you to start changing the way you do things, and in that way you find, if you listen, you might you might avoid a lot of mistakes in your life, a lot of misfortune. But most of the time, some of us just don't take the time out to listen. So yeah, I had a list here. It's just a few things I want to talk about. Izinto ezilula like ukukhubeka, you understand? And uwe okanye ungawi, but umane ukhubeka, you understand? Basically you just always hitting a stone or a rock or something, you understand, and you feel a pain, you understand, on your feet or foot or whatever. If it happens recurringly, we understand, in that particular day, it could have a meaning. Xa ungamane ukhubeka, we understand, ngosuku olunye uba ngathi uyakhubeka, ngelinye ixesha uyahamba, you're walking around the office, uve sekukruneke, we understand, and it happens and happens and happens over and over again in a day. Sometimes it could mean stop, take a pause, and ask yourself questions. One, you could be going somewhere where if you do go, you will be hurt. You might, meet up with a group of people, and maybe there's a conspiracy against you, in the conversation or discussion or whatever. People might just gang up on you and, end up with you having a broken heart. You understand? Ndizama ukuthi ngelinye ixesha kukho apho uya khona. You understand? Mhlambi uyodibana neetshomi zakho kanti bakubhungile. Uyayiva ke uzawuthi wawufika wena elekuthetha ufumanise uyaxhaywa, but ekugqibeleni kuloo ntlanganiso okanye kuloo meeting wena uzawugoduka nentliziyo ebuhlungu egobileyo. You understand? So ukumane kwakho ukhubeka, uyaxelelwa into yoba sukuya phaa buyumva. You understand? Or it's a conspiracy yokuthi uzogalelelwa umntu, uzodliswa. You understand? But something bad is going to happen, ahead. So take a step back, you understand, and make a decision. Or protect yourself if you can. Thina ke abawaziyo amayeza, you understand, ndizazi into yoba le ndawo ndiya kuyo senokwenzeka into yoba ndikhuselekanga, ndithathe isipoponi sam. Uyayiva yo esinesiphondo sam, ndizithi rhoshe ndithi rhoshe phantsi kweenyawo zam. Uyayiva ke okanye ndithi ngcu epesini yam isiphondo sam. Uyayiva nina ebenicinga into yoba kukho into uyabona niza ndophula intliziyo, niveske nisindwe ndim, ningakwazi noyiqala loo nto leyo beniyiplana ngam. Uyayiva? Ndiyakuxelela. So yeah, so it's the universe talking to you ukuthi, girl, watch out, pass up. You understand? Not only kubeka, sometimes you are dropping things the whole day. You understand? Uba ngathi uyophula nansi iglass iphumukule ezandleni ngendlela nawe ongayi-understandiyo. You understand? Iphinde yenzeke lento uphethe idrink ivuliwe, nansi usiwe ezandleni, iyaspila, iyachitheka, ufuna ukuyothatha imophu usule uthini. You understand? Nje ifowuni isezandleni zakho, whala kahla, you smash it. You understand? Uthi wawuthi ntleke ilantuka i-screen. Uyayibona laa nto leyana? It's a warning sometimes into yoba ikhona into engazuhamba kakuhle very soon. You understand? So reconsider into yoba ithini imini yam yanamhlanje, umzekelo. Uyaybo? Low storage. Itsho le nto, uyabo? Mhlawumbi ninomsebenzi kokwenu, you understand? Kulo mcimbi niba ngathi izinto mani azihambi ngendlela. Uyayibona? Nilinde inkomo omele uyawa ngolosihlanu, funeka yamkelwe ngolosine, umzekelo, ithengiwe kaloku le nkomo mhlawumbi ebhulwini. Fumanisa indlela yoyolanda le nkomo ayilulanga, itreyila ebelihayarishiwe, ntonontoni, umntwalo akafumaneki. Uyayibona laa nto leyana? Nithi nawufika kuthi hayi sayokhangelwa le nkomo, asiyazi uba le nkomo ibilapha ngoku, ntonontoni. Uyayibona laa nto leyana? Abanye abezayo basezindleleni, kusuke eKapa, kusuke eRhawutini, kuziwe kulo mcimbi, abanye bafumana ii-accident endleleni. You understand? Umqombothi awubili. Uyayibona laa nto? Usually izama ukuthi le nto ikhona into erongo ngalo msebenzi. It's either azange niwubhunge kakuhle lo msebenzi, mhlawumbi phambi kwalo umsebenzi kumele uba ukhona omnye umsebenzi enimele uba niyawenza. You understand? So indlela yabantu abadala yokunixelela into yoba lo msebenzi nicinga uba niwenzela thina, thina siwufuni ngale ndlela nina nenza ngayo. You understand? And yeah, so sometimes it could also mean, I'm still talking about dropping things, losing things as well. Ukophula nje izinto, ukhubeka yonke laa nto. could also be ukuthi le ndawo ukuyo ikhona into wrong, you understand, khona umuntu ophethe into emdaka, you understand, uba ngathi kwala kahla izinto ziyawa, isitixo siyawa, imali iyawa, uyaphakela ukutya iplate iyachitheka, you understand, khona nje into engekho right ngesi space ukuso, suka kuloo ndawo. You understand. Yeah, another thing I wanted to talk about, at home, just in 1 week, a pipe bursting, you need a plumber. Uthi usahoyeleyo nantso ne-toilet uyayiva overflowing, you need a plumber. Uthi usahoyeleyo nantsiya itap, it's overflowing, ayivaleki, you need a plumber. You understand. Some like things are leaking nje in the house, uyayibona laa nto leyana. Ifriji ichitha amanzi njalo njalo, you understand. That's a sign yokuhlupheka. Ikhona you are going to lose, ikhona le nto nizayiluza, you understand, ikhona ubunzima obuzayo, ikhona intlupheko ezayo, you understand, meaning nani ikhona le nto ningayenziyo mele uba niyayenza. Abantu abadala anibabhekeli ngale ndlela bamele uba nibabhekela ngayo, so bayathetha ngoku into yoba yabona njengoba ningasihoyanga, you understand, nathi asizunika i-protection ngolu hlobo nani ningasihoyanga ngalo. Sizawulantuka nathi sizawubukela ngoku, you understand, because ke bekukudala ngoku, uyayibo. So watch out, there's always a meaning, man, for things happening in your life. So xa izinto ezimbi zisenze koko, yabo, iba ndweba into yoba inoba kwenzeka ntoni. Plants endlini, uba ungumntu olantukileyo, otyale ii-plants okanye one-pot plants, ziyafa unnecessarily, you understand. Izilwanyana, your dogs are dying, cats nje, you understand. You find a mouse, awungomntu onempuku endlini akho, but nantsi impuku ifile, impethu. Hayibo, kuklina apha endlini, kuklinwa qho, uyayiva ke unoBrenda wakho osoloko efika akline, and uyamazi into yoba uproper xa eklina, but dubu nazi impethu from nowhere, you understand. Ikhona into engahambi kakuhle, you understand, could be isichitho as well, uyayibona laa nto. Ukulahlekelwa apha endlini ubekile into, like you leave your keys on this table, uyabuya uyazifuna azikho, you understand. Sometimes losing socks, like izinto ezizii-pairs, you always finding one pair, you understand, one kwi-pair ufumana into eyi-one, amacici usoloko ufumana icici elinye, you understand. Could be ukuthi there's a bad spirit amongst you. Ohile uyakwazi uthatha into ayisuse ngapha ayibeke ngapha, uzama ukukuxelela into yoba kutheni nimuncu nina, you understand, kutheni ningayiboni uba aninedwanga, uthunyiwe yena. But uhealing ngumntana, it's a spirit esinobuntwana, esithanda ukudlala, uyayibo, unentlonti, so uthatha le ayisuse ngapha asuse le, uyayibona laa nto leya. So it means you need to wait evil away, kufuneka nenze something to cleanse your environment, you understand. Lixesha mhlawumbi nanibethelele umzi wawuqinisiwe ngoko. You understand. Yindlela yoba niyaxelelwa into yoba umzi ufuna uqiniswa, because kaloku these things ziyarinywishwa ekugqibeleni, uyayiva ke ngoku. So just be mindful of things happening around you, be mindful of how you organize izinto endlini, you get me. Sukwenza izinto ndiphelelwa yi-breath, I don't know why, ungacinganga, uyayibona laa nto leyana. For example, you know that feng shui concept yama-China of energy flow around the house, you get me. Make sure you open the windows endlini, you understand, even if kuyabanda, but there must be some windows open. Umoya, you understand, energy must flow in and out nje kakuhle, You understand? Nalando, some homes, fumanisa into yoba umnyango omnye uhlala uvaliwe, kuvulwa umnyango oyi-one. Uyayibona laa nto leyana? Ingakhoza ii-blockages laa nto ezimpilweni zenu, like i-flow of energy ayihambi kakuhle. Makubekho ixesha mani kuvulwe iminyango. Uyayibona laa nto yavula iifestire, makubethe umoya. Neclutter nje, having a cluttered house can cause you understand blockages empilweni yakho. How you arrange your room, for example. You can't have your bed inhloko yebed yakho, against the window. You understand? Your headboard against your window. I-energy ingena pha efestireni. Uyayibona ngokuvalile wena. Uyayibona laa nto leyana? You can't have your headboard yakho, ibe semnyango. It should be your feet ezingasemnyango. You understand? Your head should be away from the door and your feet ngasemnyango. You understand? For a flow, energy, for you to, in the room, energy must just flow through you freely and openly. You get me? There must be space between things. Kungabi neclutter. Because that clutter will exactly yile nto ezawenzeka empilweni yakho. You understand? Xa uphuma endlini ushiya iclutter going to the office, uzofika inhloko yakho ihlangahlangene. Uyayibona laa nto leyana? Leaving your bed unmade, going to work ushiya ibhedi engondlulwanga. Uyayibona laa nto leyana? Now uzawuhamba naloo nto. That's the energy you are carrying with you. You understand? And you wonder when you get to a meeting, no one wants to listen to you. You understand? There's no order. There's chaos in a meeting being chaired by you. You get me? So yeah, guys, let me end it there, man. I just wanted to share those few tips. Masbela. Sometimes asithakathwanga. It's just us not being alert. It's just us not listening to Mother Nature. You understand? And Lando, having plants, for example, in your house, but you are not taking care of them. You understand? And yet you're hoping for nature, you understand, to be kind to you. You understand? When you are unkind to it. You get me? Those are the things we should be wary of. Having dogs that you don't buy food for. Ufuyile inja. Nenja. Yafuywa kaneninja. Kodwa unezinja. Awuzithengeli kutya. Izinja zalapha ukuze zitye zixhomekeke kwizilaphu zenu. Into yoba ubana ngabakhange kubekho leftover okanye, you understand, umuntu khange ashiye into eplatini, izinja zalapha zizokutya. But you want these dogs to take care of you. You get me? You're just creating. You must be responsible, guys. You understand? If you bring an animal into your house, take care of it. You get me? All I'm trying to say is nature does to you what you do to it. The universe will do to you what you do to it. You understand? Iphinde ithi laa ngoma ngubana nenelutshoyo. But like all the stars and the trees, you understand? Like all the trees under the stars, you understand? You too have a place in this universe. You understand? None of us does not deserve to be here. Us, the stars, the trees, the dogs, everything, we all are one at the end of the day. So you just need to learn how to be a part of the universe. Don't ever think you are superior, because you are not. If there's a burst pipe in your house, deal with it immediately. Sukungayihoyi ngenxa into yoba urhola nge-25, burst pipe yenzeke nini nge-5 in the month. Toilet is overflowing, mayivalwe la toilet. Kumane kuyamophishwa akungenwe toilet. You are not dealing with it. You understand? If you don't deal with problems immediately, that is what nature will do to you now. Your problems, your challenges will not be solved immediately. Think about it. So try to be that person that is striving for order in your life. I don't know if I'm making sense, guys, but I hope I've made sense. So you guys, good luck, man, and just be alert. Vula amehlo, you understand? Iba ngumuntu wasemhlabeni, you understand? Yeah, that's it for now. I will leave it at that, guys. Please keep sharing the videos. Share as in share. Thumelela abantu. You understand? Thumelela abanye abantu. Mayihambe le evangeli, guys. But otherwise, and like also, because when you like the video, it helps with the algorithm choosing my video to be out there. Yeah, you know? And please don't skip the ads, because remember, YouTube pays me, guys. For me, this is a full-time job, so I get paid by you watching the ads. Thank you very much, guys. Did you see? I haven't posted on YouTube. Yeah, I'll try post. I had a meeting the other day. I had a chat with Simpwe Dana, the one and only Simpwe Dana. Yes, I was very honored to meet with her, meet up with her, and yeah, guys, I'm just grateful, guys, which these platforms are allowing me to be the person that I am, to be a blessing to you, because that's how many of you make me feel. So yeah, guys, I can never be grateful enough. But yeah, guys, till the next one.